Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about Brownian movement. Now let's dive in a topic. What is Brownian motion? Brownian motion refers to the random movement displayed by small particles that are suspended in fluids. It is commonly referred to as Brownian movement. Brownian movement. This motion is a result of the collisions of the particles with other fast-moving particles in the fluid. Brownian motion is named after the Scottish botanist Robert Brown, who first observed that pollen grains move in random directions which placed in water. An illustration describing the random movement of fluid particles caused by the collisions between these particles is provided below. It is the illustration of Brownian movement. A particle changes its path when another particle collides with it. Further collisions cause the particles to follow a random zigzag motion. It involves a transfer or exchange of momentum or energy between the particles. What causes Brownian motion? The size of the particles is inversely proportional to speed of the motion. That is, small particles exhibit faster movement. This is because the transfer of momentum is inversely proportional to the mass of the particles. Lighter particles obtain greater speeds from collisions. The speed of the Brownian motion is inversely proportional to the viscosity of the fluid. The lower the viscosity of the fluid, the faster the Brownian movement. Viscosity is a quantity that expresses the magnitude of the internal friction in a liquid. It is the measure of the fluid's resistance to flow. Effects of Brownian motion. Brownian movement causes the particles in a fluid to be in constant motion. This prevents particles from settling down, leading to the stability of colloidal solutions. A true solution can be distinguished from a colloid with the help of this motion. Albert Einstein's paper on Brownian motion was vital evidence on the existence of atoms and molecules. The kinetic theory of gases, which explains the pressure, temperature, and volume of gases, is based on the Brownian motion model of particles. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever possesses the following three qualities will have the sweetness of faith." Number 1. The one to whom Allah and His apostle becomes dearer than anything else. Number 2. Who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake. Number 3. Who hates to revert to atheism, disbelief, as he hates to be thrown into the fire. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.